News now, a rollover crash in Encino causing a massive geyser.
Yeah, Desmond Shaw live in SkyCal with more for us. Desmond, wow.
Hi, you want it, Amy. So we are on Cal Neva Drive. This is south of Mulholland. And if you know this area in Encino, this is a very, very steep street right here. And it looks like this thing that was getting hauled here flipped over. And it hit a hydrant, and now we have a big kind of geyser situation as LA City Fire is here. You saw that they had the key in the roadway. They were trying to turn the valve off right now, but you know, sometimes it's not that easy of a thing, and that there might be multiple valves down there that they have to shut off. This is kind of a fairly major street at rush hour to avoid Sepulveda and the 405 for people getting from the West LA area over to the Encino area. So just getting overhead, trying to figure out what this might be, like a tree trimming truck or something like this, but a very, very steep street here. Wondering if the brakes gave out here. Cal Neva Drive at Encino Hills Drive. This situation could be going on for a while. Fortunately, there's no reports of any injuries. Live at SkyCal overhead, I'm Desmond Shaw. Juan and Amy, back to you in the studio.
All right, Des. Well, the search